Here we divide 234 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down the number beside this 3 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 4. So now it became 14. So 2 times 7 means 14. On subtracting we get 0. So 234 divided by 2 is 170. So this much for today and thanks for watching.